the children take toxic waste and they create proceeds, not for themselves, for their schools. Tiganokinisi, it means pan movement, the movement of the pan. So there are a lot of problems with domestic use cooking oil. The schools become collection hubs, and the children bring the used cooking oil from their homes to their schools. We sell it to the refineries, and all of the proceeds are given back to schools to make a list of more than 30 environmental activities. So the children actually become part of circular economy. We gave more than €1 million back to the schools. And these were money that otherwise would go down the drain. So we promote sustainability through delivering environmental education with hands-on activities, with experiments. We engage more than 85,000 students every year, covering almost 95% of the schools of Cyprus. It's huge. Sustainability is not a theory. Sustainability is about implementing solutions. The solutions are there, so we can do it.